model, 2007 Volkswagen Caddy 69Ps 2.0 Sdi 85K. Low miles, slight injector misfire, no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 85,052. MOT, the 23rd of March 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 1.9 Sdi, 69E4A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs really well, however, has a misfire on idle, needs injector number 3 replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. The misfire is minimal and can still be driven as it is. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features,